First one is phonetic mode wallpapers. To get your phonetic mode wallpapers, you can go to setting and type game space, then open it and go to settings, then tap on phonetic mode, then tap the phonetic logo few times. After that write always phonetic, then boom, there goes the phonetic animation comes here, and there is 3 wallpaper that you can get from phonetic. You can set this wallpaper to your system wallpapers, and if you don't have OnePlus device, I'll give a link to download all these wallpapers, so please don't forget to check the description. Next one is app dark mode. To get app dark mode, go to settings and customization and select the black theme and click right. It's not the system dark mode, it's the app dark mode. There you can see the Amazon. There is no dark theme apply on it. We can change it to dark theme. If you like the video for whatever reasons, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. To get dark modes in app, we have to go to settings, then about phone, then tap the build number 7 times. Then you can open your developer mode, then go to system, then there is developer option there, then search dark or scroll down to override force dark, then enable it. Here comes. Now you can see that the Amazon have dark mode. Also the Flipkart have. Now go to Paytm. You can see there is a dark mode. Enable it here. Number 3 is animation speed. You can show how slow the animation speed is. To get faster animation speed, you have to go to settings, then system, then go to developer option and scroll down to this menu where you can see Windows animation scale, transition animation scale and animator duration scale. Turn all these to 0.5x. It make your animation of the phone faster. Now let's come to our next, that is smallest with DPI. If you are bored with your current display size, although you turn font size and display size small, still it's too big for you, then to change the size of the DPI. If you don't know, DPI means dot per inch. Go to system, then developer option, then scroll down to the smallest width, then change it according to whichever suits your display. I prefer 560, it's best for me. You can see how it looks now. Our next is OnePlus Lockbox. So in Lockbox, you can lock your personal documents or picture, so nobody can see it. To enable Lockbox, you have to open the OnePlus File Manager app, then select whichever documents or photo you want to lock, then click on three dot option in the upper right corner and tap on move to lockbox. After that you have to enter 6-digit pin and you can add your fingerprint also. To see your documents or photo, you have to go to the lockbox and enter your pin. You can add or remove the fingerprint also by going to the setting. Next is status bar setting. So I have seen many people that they don't use this setting very much. You can hide or disable all the icons that show in the status bar. Like you can disable auto rotate screen, then you can disable the cellular data that display on the status bar, and you can also disable the screencast or screen recording that if you want to hide, then you can hide them. When you purchase a OnePlus device, the NFC is pre-enabled, so the icon is always display on the status bar. So if you want to use the NFC also, don't want to show the NFC icon, so you can hide the icon by uncheck on it. You can show or hide whatever icon that you want to display on your status bar. You can also change the battery style if you want to show the battery percentage that you can, or the network speed, all the status bar setting that you can do here. Now our last one is OnePlus Easter egg. I know many of you know this already, but it's actually cool. If you don't know what the Easter egg, then go to the system calculator app, then open it, then click OnePlus and click equals. Boom, there is your Easter egg.